Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides, 5 reasons you should start a 529 plan right now for your child. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it. Follow me. Let's go get going. 529 plans are also known as qualified tuition programs according to the IRS. And basically, they let you contribute money which will grow tax-free over time as long as the withdrawals are used for qualified educational expenses. Qualified educational expenses, if you go to any college and look at their cost of attendance, there should be a page like this which shows how much money is for tuition, fees, books, transportation, personal miscellaneous, housing, etc. So you'll come up with a number, and basically that's the qualified educational expenses for that particular college. And you can you can withdraw money from your 529 plan to pay up to that amount of money if your child is living at home with the parents and attending this particular school. I've shown how the money can grow tax-free using this calculator. So that's the number one reason, tax-free earnings. So maybe you put in $5,000 when Emma is 5 years old, and you put in $200 a month thereafter until she turns 18. And at the end of that time, you can start withdrawing that money tax-free to pay for her college. And it will pay for about 1 year and a few months of college at this particular savings level for this type of school. The second reason you should consider it is they're easy to set up and easy to manage contributions. So for instance, if you can go to fidelity.com and open a 529 plan pretty much right away. They're very easy to set up online, and then you don't even have to think about the contributions, because either you can just set up a monthly withdrawal from your bank account, which is what we do, or you can just write a check every year, or every quarter, or what have you, just to contribute money to that particular account. Number 3, they are easy to tap. As I said before, you just need to know the cost of attendance for your school, and basically every legitimate college in the United States or university, they have something like a cost of attendance page like this, which will tell you everything you need to know for the amount of money that you can withdraw depending on your child's particular situation. Number 4, what if your kid decides not to go to college when he or she turns 18? No problem. You can change the beneficiary. So if you have other kids, you can change it to somebody else. The other thing you can do is maybe your child doesn't want to go to college when she turns 18, but who knows? Maybe when she's in her 20s or 30s, she may change her mind after she does some career-related thing or does some sort of public service or what have you. And then number 5, one of the other great things about 529 plans, regardless of whether you set them up on Fidelity or Vanguard or Charles Schwab or one of these other companies that does them, other people can set up 529 plans for your child. A typical setup is actually a grandparent or an aunt or an uncle creating a 529 plan for the child in their name, and they're taking care of the contributions, which can really make a difference, because as I showed on this particular calculator, even if you're contributing all this money for Emma starting when she turns 5, it's not enough to cover everything. Well, maybe an aunt can cover the remainder of the money for her sophomore year, and then grandparents can cover the junior year and senior year as well, using their own 529 plans. And basically that's it. The 5 reasons that you should open a 529 plan right now. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Also, if you go to in30minutes.com, check out all the books we have on different types of topics, including personal finance, technology, Social Security, Google Drive and Docs, Twitter, LinkedIn, crowdfunding, etc. All the authors are experts, and these are quality books. Some of them have even won awards. Thank you so much for watching.